impact on the Lions Den. We have our campus enhancement committee, and we go around the campus, look at what needs to be improved. As we were going around, we kind of walked past the Lions Den. It was a little dark, a little dated, wasn't very inviting. Thought this would be a great project to tackle. Started thinking about the ideas last year, and it's just turned into a great, bright, inviting place.
I feel like the Lions Den is set up really nicely. You know, it's super creative, give everybody a different variety of things to do. Most times I come to the Lions Den to get my work done. You know, I come down, sit down at the table and do my work, or I come down and play pool with my friends.
I'm really excited about having this new space, especially for my kids on my floor, on my wing, because we can all come down here and we can enjoy games such as pool, ping pong, so on and so forth. And then when student athletes are going against, we have the opportunity to watch games and really enjoy our time here.
I think students are going to really enjoy this space. We have a new pool table, a new foosball table, we have the ping pong table back. We added audio and visual so people can plug in their computers, watch movies if they'd like. There's counters all over to study. I think it's a very multi-purpose space that students will be able to use it for a lot of things.
I want to thank the facilities in the class of 1972.
Thank you, class of 1972, for your donations. Thank you, facilities, so much for doing everything for the Lions Den. We appreciate it so much. We couldn't have done it without you.
And I also want to say thank you to the class of 1972 and facilities for giving us this new space. Thank you.